I'm doing a voiceover and showing you my Blacksburg house I built myself. Let's head into it. Nice 3-story house build. So yeah, let's go. Comment down below if you think I should do a building tutorial for you guys. Here is a little entrance. Isn't it beautiful? Here is the kitchen. Nice little place to eat and do role plays. Get some juice, microwave, food, cotton candy. Yeah. Little dining room place. A little sitting area just to read in there. Another reading area. Laundry place. Sitting room. Very nice. More books. Little gym area. More books as well. Bathroom 1. Nice little shower. The garage. More books, of course. Have no car yet though. Going upstairs. More books. Balcony. Bathroom. Master bedroom. Nice little makeup, nice place to work. And balcony too. Nice little view. And here is a closet. Going out to the room. Here's balcony tree. Nice place to paint, and I'm stinky. Here is a kid or teenager bedroom. Whatever. Slippers. Little sitting area with books. Bathroom. Bathroom 2, I think. Or no, 3. Taking a shower so I don't be stinky. This is a toddler and baby room for a boy or a girl. I built that bunk bed myself. I just used a toddler bed. So yeah. Upstairs, more books, of course. Master bedroom 2. Nice place to work. And bed. And balcony tree, I think. And bathroom 4. Yeah. Nice toilet to take a poop. And another toddler bedroom. Well, a nice little hammock. And you can lay down on it. I just thought that would be a nice little thing. Like to play with their toys and the RP or something on it. And then the balcony. Don't know. Don't remember. More books. Nice little sitting place. Bathroom 5, I'm guessing. And then a kid or a teenager bedroom. Whichever. And they have a hammock too. Nice little bed with a teddy bear. Hammock too, yeah. Nice little laptop with that. And let's head downstairs. And we'll head out to the backyard. I'm gonna add a pool soon. Just haven't added it yet, but here's like a little swing set and a slide climbing thing. And then here's the ugly treehouse, but it's very nice and inside. Nice vines in there. Here's like sleeping bags and makeup, teddy bears, magazines, TV in that, fairy lights, mirror. And here's a little sitting place with a clock, bracelets in that, necklaces, ice cream. Yum. I love ice cream. How about you? So, anyways, it's getting to the end of the video, so bye!